Hey everybody, here's a bonus video for anyone doing the graphing calculator. When you're using this function that we did the second time, calculate y2, which is really the sine of the x value, which is the frequency times the x value, and that multiplied by the cosine of 201 times the frequency times the x value, and all that multiplied by the amplitude. That's the function. When you use that function, then the XScanner step matters a lot. So you can see I set it to 0.0052 here. And it's making this interesting shape here with real smooth edges. And it's really covering every line very carefully. But if I change it to 0.53, it's different. Very different. And similarly, if I change it to 0.51, it's different again. Here it's back a little more to what it looked like before with the jagged edges. 0.0050 is like that, but 0.0052 is like that. You can change it to other numbers and see what you get. Negative 0.05. 6. Okay, and I'm going to add a feature to clear the display. Just a sec. Okay, to do that, let's add a keyboard input. If input.getKeyDown keycode.c, then we want to clear the display. How do we do this? In the plotter, we're going to get component trail renderer. And from there, dot time equals 0. But then soon after that, we want to set it back to the time it was before. So to do that, let's make a new function. Void reset trail renderer. Set that to original orig time. And up here, private float orig time. And just before we reset it, let's set orig time to that. And then call invoke reset trail renderer, and let's see if that works. Yeah, cleared it. And a second later it starts right back up. So now that we've got this C function working, it clears the trail. Now we can change this step to 0.6. And we can see what it really ends up like. 0.7. It's pretty different. 0.8. 0.5. 0.0052. That's a magic number. There are other magic numbers. If you keep playing with this, you'll find them. So that's the end of this bonus video. I just wanted to show you some of the other cool things you can do by changing the step and playing with the functions. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.